you have just signed up to SocialBu, and the first step to start managing your social media is to connect your social accounts with SocialBu dashboard. And once connected, you can easily create and schedule posts, engage with your audience, monitor performance through analytics, and you can manage your all account from one centralized dashboard. Hi everyone, I am Fatima and welcome to our channel SocialBu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your social accounts to SocialBu so you can start scheduling right away. And if you are new to this channel, then make sure you have already signed up for SocialBu. If not, then don't worry. You can watch my video on getting started with SocialBu. The link is in the description below. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to our SocialBu dashboard and go to the social accounts section. Here you can see the connected accounts here. Look. Now click on the plus icon to add a new account. Here you will see a list of all the platforms you can connect with SocialBu. Simply choose the platform you want to connect. Let's go with the Instagram. Now once you click on the Instagram, it will redirect you to the login page, and if you're already logged in, then it will redirect you to the permission page. And these permissions allow SocialBu to manage your account, such as publishing posts and accessing insights. So click on continue, and here we go. It says account has been successfully added. And if you want to connect two or more different Instagram accounts, for this you need to log in with a different Instagram account. So let me show you. Let's go to the new tab and go to the login page, and here you can see I was logged in with this account. Now let's log in this and just click on it. Now I have switched my account. Now let's go back to the SocialBu dashboard, click on the plus icon, click on Instagram, and see, now it's asking me the permission about that account that we just logged in. So click on continue, and here we go. The account is successfully connected. You can follow the same process to connect other platforms as well. Now let's talk about another useful feature. Now here comes the most exciting feature that you won't find in other social media management tools. SocialBu allows you to let others connect their social media accounts without sharing their login credentials. This is especially useful if you're working with a client who don't want to share the login credentials with you. So let's try this. And to do this, click on the add account and scroll down to the option that says let someone else connect the account. Now select the platform, generate the link, and simply send it to your client or someone else who you want their account to be connected in SocialBu. Let's just check the link in the incognito tab. Just paste it over here, and you can see it's asking my credentials. So the person who will open this link, if he's already or she's already logged in with the account, they will just give the permission. And if they're not logged in, they will first log in and then they will give permission to SocialBu. Let's just paste it in my window, and as you can see, I have already logged in with my Facebook account. It's just asking my password. And after I enter my password, it will just ask the permission the same way it asks for the account connection, if you guys remember. And yeah, that's all. Now click on the account title. You have the option to delete, test connection, and reconnect the account. Well, if we click on the test connection, it will show us if the account is connected or we need to reconnect it. And as you can see, it's saying that account connected. And if you click on the inactive account, here you will have the list of all inactive accounts here. You have the option to delete them, reconnect with them, or test the connection with them. Let me show you how the reconnect option will work. Just click on the account and click on reconnect, and it will take us to the permission page again. See? It's useful in case if your account is disconnected, or you can just test the connection. And yeah, that's all. Now you're all set to start scheduling your content. And here you can see your all connected accounts here. Just choose and just post your content. And that's it. Now you have learned how to add, connect, remove, or delete account in SocialBu. You have also learned that how to invite others to connect their accounts securely without sharing passwords. And that was easy, right? Now you're all set to start scheduling your content. In the next video, we will explore SocialBu core publishing tool to build a structured content workflow. So instead of posting randomly, you'll have a clear system that saves you time and help you stay consistent. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who might need it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.